So now we're going to talk about another way you can set up an array and create an array in your programming. And this way is going to be a little bit of a shortcut. Instead of the last time when we talked about, declaring our array and then, us using the new operator, then spitting out and putting out each of the individual index items and really spelling that out kind of in a line, if you will, one after one. What I've done here is taken an integer. We're going to have an array of integers now, and we're going to go ahead and look at points per game. We have an array of integers. We use these brackets to let it know it's going to be an array. Gone ahead and given it a name. It's going to be points per game. So we're going to talk about points per game of a given player. Use this this assignment operator here with the braces. And then just went ahead right here and I just put the numbers directly in. Notice I didn't have points per game and the brackets and zero and then assign it, anything. I didn't do all that. For this one, I could just put it right here and these four items, and the system will already know to go ahead and assign this one to index 0. This will be index 1, this is going to be index 2, and this will be index 3. So we have four items. It starts from 0 and goes up to 3, and so the system automatically does it for us. So this is kind of a shortcut way of doing that. And what I've done here is I've taken this for loop, initialize this variable here, set it to 0, have I is less than points per game dot length, right? Because we know that we have four items, we're going up to index 3. So our I is less than points per game dot length. And then we have I++ here, and we're going to go ahead and just print out the points per game for Derek Doe over the last 4 games, if you will. So this is just a shortcut way of doing it. And I'll go ahead and run main. We'll let it run. I'll let the system parse and build it. And I'll pull this up for you so that you can see it. And so there you go. It has Derek Doe scored the following. So it's our 20, 30 points there, 39 points, and then 38 points. And it did exactly what you would expect it to do in this for loop and with this array. So that's just another way of kind of setting up an array, a shortcut way of setting up your array. But just think about an array, and it's a good technique to use. So as you use if statements or for loops or any number of different structures or techniques and tools that you use for programming, this is just another tool you can put in your basket that you can use. And think about that.